Just doing a wee tutorial for Will You Still Love Me Tomorrow. I think the Sherillies are the originals for this song. But I've heard James Bay doing a wee cover of it on the radio the other day, and it was cool. It was cool, so I thought I'd do a wee cover of it. The chords are C, F, well F major 7, G, E minor, A minor, and one part of the song you play a D. So it starts off on a C, then into an F, then a G. So you can do multiple different types of strumming, do your own type of strumming if you want. I'm just going to try and start off in slow, just wee single strums to call out the chords and words roughly where they come in at. You can do a little down or a wee strum pattern also, which is down, down, up, down, up. That's not too bad to learn there, that one. What I tend to do sometimes is multiple down strums, and every now and again when I'm switching to the next chord I would throw a little down up at the end and little hammer-ons just to make it sound more funky. But you can do that eventually once you get more practice and become handy with the guitar. So start off here now on a C to the F to the G. So tonight you're mine completely. So that one, C, F, G. Back to the C. You give your love so G-ly. To E minor. Tonight the light of A minor's in your eyes. To the F. Will you still G me to see? Then the C. Is this a lasting treasure? So that was from the C to the F to the G, and then it goes to the C again. Or just a moment's pleasure with the G. Can E minor believe they minor in your size? To the F. Will you still G me tomorrow with a C? Sings a higher pitch now. F to 9 with words E minor. Stay in the F. You say that I'm the only C. To the F. But will my heart be broken with E minor when the D meets the morning F, G? Back to the C. I'd like to know that F, G, C is a love. So that one, from the C, I'd like to know that your love. On C, F, G, and then go to the C. Is a love I can be G of, sure of, E minor. So tell me now, A minor, I won't ask again. To the F. Will you still G me to see? To the F again. Will you still G me to see? And you can finish on another one. Will you still love me tomorrow? Now, give me a little strum pattern. Well, I'll do the little down, down, up one. You can go through the chords there. You see me calling them out slowly, and you'll know when they come in for the little strum pattern. So it's down, down, up, down, up. Alright, so tonight you're mine completely. The F, the G, C. You give your love so G sweetly to the E minor. Tonight the light, all the love is the F. Will you still love me with a G? To the C moral, say the C. Is this a lasting treasure? To the G, you're off to the F, to the C. Or just a moment's pleasure with a G. D minor. Can I believe the magic in your eyes? That was A minor. F. Will you still G me to the C tomorrow? Hey, press F. Tonight we'll put some broken thing. A minor. F. You say that I'm the only C. One. To the F again. But will my heart be minor to the D? When the D meets the morning sun. To the C. I'd like to know that your love D. To the C. Is a love I can be sure of with a G. So C minor, E now, and I won't ask again. Right there. Will you still G me to C? Will you still love me tomorrow? Now, that's just one of the strums. You can do a little multiple down strum. I'll do a little funky one here, just so you hear it. That's just me messing around. I do various things. Now you don't have to play the 4-finger G. It's easier to switch if you play a G like that, 3-finger G. That's just me because I like the 4-finger G. Hopefully that helps you guys. Thumbs up, likes and shares, much appreciate it. I wish you the best for that wee song. Hopefully you just like that wee song, and it's something different rather than just the normal stuff of these days. And good luck, take care, and share. Bye bye.